So hey guys, my name is Chandni Parveen and you are watching my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you about multiplication by 1 series, 2 series and 3 series. So this is the platform for Vedic Mathematics First. So let's get started this video. So before doing the questions, let's understand the rule that we are going to deal with the series multiplication. So for this, you need to understand two things. The first one is that you need to add n minus 1 zeros to left hand side and right hand side. And second is you need to do grouping. Okay, so here we have two things to do in any of three series, 1, 2 or 3 series multiplication. In all of them we need this rule. Okay, so this is the trick that you need to add n minus 1 zeros and grouping of n digits. So what is n? So here n is nothing but a number of ones from which you are multiplying to a number. Like you have a question which is saying that 45 multiplied by 11. So here you have 11. So how many ones consist of 11? It consists of 2 ones here. Therefore, n will be 2. Okay, fine. Then move ahead to the rules first. You need to add n minus 1 zeros. What it means? You need to add 2 minus 1. That is 1, 0 to left hand side and to the right hand side of the number to whom you are multiplying the 1 series type of multiplication. Like 45 here. So 45, you have to add the zeros in left hand side of 45 and in right hand side of the 45. Okay, then what you need to do, the second step is grouping of how many digits you need to group. You need to do the grouping of n numbers, which we have just find that n is 2. So therefore grouping will be of 2. Okay, now what you need to do, just add the first two numbers here, because grouping is of n numbers, which is 2. Therefore we are grouping the first two digits, like 5 and 0. Just add them. 5 plus 0 will be 5. Then next two digits, 4 and 5. So add the 4 and 5, you get 9. So just write 9. Then 4 and 0. Add them. 0 plus 4 will be 4. Okay, so this will be our answer. So let's practice another question. So here we have another question. This is the question that is 73,486 is going to be multiplied by 11. So anything doing without some practice, we can't understand. Therefore, I have taken lots of examples and I'm doing all the series in this video. So let's understand this question number 2. So how you need to do? First, understand what is the n here. N is 11. Okay. And how many number of zeros you need to add? N minus 1. So that is 2 minus 1 will be 1. So we need to add 1 0 in left hand side of the number and 1 0 in right hand side of the number. Okay. Then what we need to do in the next time? We need to do grouping. So how many numbers of grouping will be used here? 2, as n is 2. Now just add the first two digits. 6 plus 0 will be 6. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 will give you 14. So here we have a number which is 2-digit number. So when the 2-digit number comes, then you need to do carrying. So just take 4 as it is and 1 move it as a carry here. Okay. Then proceed to the next question, next digits. 8 plus 4 will give you what? 12. But you have one carry here. Therefore, you need to add this carry to this 12. So 1 plus 12 will give you 13. Okay. Now 13. In the 13, 3 will be remain as it is and 1 will be carry out. So we'll just write it as 1. Then proceed the next digits. 4 plus 3 will be 7. Okay. But you need to add this carry which you have just written. So 7 plus 1 will be 8. Okay, fine. Now 3 plus 7. We are grouping of 2 as n is 2. Okay. So 3 plus 7 will be 10. So 0 as it is and 1 will be carry out. Then 7 plus 0 will be 7. But you know that you have one carry. So you need to add this carry to this 7 and then you will get 8. So this is the answer of this multiplication. Okay. So the trick is that first add, then add carry. Just you need to group, add the digits, anything you got from your addition of the digits. You need to just add the carry first, then write the answer here. If you don't have carry, then no need to do anything. Okay. Now the third question is this. So again you have n is 2 means number of ones is here is 2. Therefore you need to just add n minus 1 zeros in the left hand side, in the right hand side means 1 0 and 1 0 in the both sides. Okay. And you need to just group of two numbers means 4 plus 0 will be 4, 2 plus 4 will be 6, 5 plus 2 will be 7 and 3 plus 5 will be 8 and 2 plus 3 will be 5 and 0 plus 2 will be 2. So this is the answer of this multiplication. Easy. Now let's come to the multiplication of two series. It's just like one series. No need to just get tension. It is just same as it we have just studied. The same rules, but the thing that comes in the second step is that here we have multiplication of 1 1 1 means triple 1. Like we have n is 3. Okay. So the rules are same, but you need to do with the 3 ones means n will be 3 here. So what you need to do, you need to add n minus 1 zeros in left hand side and the right hand side. This is the first rule. First steps need to do. So n minus 1 here is n is 3 minus 1 gives you 2. Means 2 zeros need to be added in LHS and in the RHS both. Okay. So just add 0 0 and 0 0. Okay. Now how many of n numbers grouping will be there? There will be 3 grouping means 3 3 will be added. 3 numbers will be added like 4 plus, you need to just like do like this as I have done 0 to 4 like this. You can understand from here. Say we just write this. Okay. So what you need to do, you just need to add this 3 numbers first because we are doing a number of groupings. Here n is 3, therefore 3 number of groupings means 0 plus 0 plus 4. Okay. You have started from 0. You need first understand, you need to start with each and every digits up to 3 third number. Like you have just started from this first 0 and will add up to you got 3 digit. You need to add only those digits. Okay. 0 plus 4 plus 0 means 0 plus 0 plus 4 will gives you 4, as I have done here. Okay, then I have told you each and every means you have just started from 0. Now in the second step you have to start from this 0. Then in third step you have to start with this 0, this digit, and then this, and each and every digit. Okay, up to you got 3 digits. Okay, so here you can understand 0 plus 0 plus 4 means here 0 to 4 will give you 3 digits now. Therefore 0 plus 4 gives you 4. Now let's start with this 0. 0 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, are the 3 digits? So it gives you 7. Now let's start with this one. Like 4 plus 3 plus 2 will gives you 9. Now let's start with 3. 3 plus 2 plus 4 gives you 9. Then start with 2. 2 plus 4 plus 3 gives you what? Gives you 9. Then 4, start with 4. 4 plus 3 plus 0 will gives you 7. Then you need to add from 3. So 3 plus 0 will gives you 3. So this is just like I have told you in advance. So you need to just remember this. Each and every digit will participate in this. Okay, and we will add up to only number of groupings which we are doing. If we are doing of n numbers of groupings, then each and every digit will be participate in that grouping. Okay, so let's understand this question. If we are multiplying 111 with this number, then first rule will come to us that add the number of zeros here. N minus 1 number of zeros means 3 minus 1 will give you 2. That means 2 zeros in the starting, 2 zeros in the and then let's start grouping. And you know that grouping is of n numbers, that is 3. So 3 numbers will be added in first, 6. Then this 3 numbers will be added in second. Then this, and then this and this. The whole will gives you the answer. So how is it going? I'm just telling you. 0 plus 0 plus 6 gives you, 0 plus 0 plus 6 will gives you 6. Fine. Now 0 plus 6 plus 7 will gives you what? Gives you 13. Means 3 here, 1 will be carry out. Then 6 plus 7 plus 8 gives you what? 6 plus 7 will gives you 13. Then 8 will gives you what? This will gives you 21. But you have 1 carry also. Therefore 21 plus 1 carry will give you 22. So 2 here as it is, and the second 2 will goes to the carry out. And then you need to start with here 7. 7 plus 8 plus 4 will gives you what? 12 plus 7 will be what? It will be 12 plus 7 will be 19, and you have 2 carry. So therefore 19, 20, 21. Okay. So 21, in the 21, 1 will be remain as it is and 2 will be carry out. Then start with 8. 8 plus 4 plus 3. It will be what? It will be our 15. But you have carry out of 2. Therefore 15 plus 2 will be 17. So 7 as it is and 1 will be carry out. Okay. Then start with 4. 4 plus 3 plus 0 will gives you what? 7. But you have 1 carry. Therefore 1 plus 7 will gives you 8. Then 0 plus 3 plus 0 plus 0 will gives you 3. So this will be the answer of this question. Okay. It's just easy. You need to remember the 2 rules that I have mentioned in the above questions. And then you need to just understand that each and every digit will participate in the grouping. Up to which we are going. Like it depends on n numbers of which we are going. So multiplication by 3 series is our next topic. the same rules are there. Okay, so let's understand the first question. There we have one question here, which is multiplied with 4 ones, means 1 1 1 1. So here number of ants is 1 2 3 4, means and minus 1 zeros will be added in the left hand side, in the right hand side of the digits. Therefore and will be 4. 4 minus 1 gives you 3, means 3 zeros will be added in the left hand side and in the right hand side of the given number. Okay, fine. Now the second rule says that start grouping of n numbers. Here n is 4, so let's start the grouping numbers with 4. Means first 4 will be added. First 4 are 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4, that gives you 4. Okay, then the next 4 digits by continuing each and every digit. So let's start with this 0 now. 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 3 will give you what? 7. So let's write down here 7. Then start with this 0. 0 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 will give you what? Will give you 9. So let's just write the 9 here. Now start with this 4. Okay, you need to understand that each and every digit will participate in the grouping. Therefore 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 will give you what? 7 plus 6 will give you 13, means here will be 3 and 1 will be carry out. Okay, now start with this 3. 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 will give you what? 5 plus here 7 will give you 12. But you have one carry also, means 12 plus 1 will give you 13. 3 will be remain as it is, 1 will be carry out. Now start with this 2. 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 0 will give you what? Will give you 7 plus 2 and 1, means that will be gives you 9 and 1 carry is here. Therefore 9 plus 1 will gives you 10. So 0 as it is, 1 will be carry out. Now let's start grouping here from here. 4 plus 3 plus 0 plus 4 will gives you 7 and 1 carry is there, means 7 plus 1 will gives you 8. So here will be 8. Okay, now start with this 3. 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 will gives you what? 3 only. So let's write the 3 here. So this is the answer of this multiplication. Fine. Now the different type of question is here. All the questions that we have just done, in those questions we have a number from which we are multiplying 11, 111, 1011, like these things. We are doing like this. Means there is a number which is greater than this. There is a number having the number of digits greater than or equals to the number and numbers of ones. In the simple words, if we can say that number of digits are less than the multiplied series digits, means that if you have a multiplication of a number whose number of digits are less than the multiplied series digits, you can understand it here like this. You have a number to whom you need to multiply by the series numbers. Okay, so here the number having the digits 3 and the number of series is 1 2 3 4. 4 number of ones here, means n is 4 and the number to whom we need to multiply is having 3 digits, means number of digits are not equal. Okay, not equal, neither equal nor this number is greater than having the more number of digits than this series having. So for this type of question, when you have number of digits are less than the multiplied series digits, then what you need to do, you need to add the number of zeros in starting off with that number, okay, to make it equal of this multiplied series digits. Okay, means here is 3 numbers, here is 4 numbers, so you need to add 1 0 in starting, so that 4 will be equals to 4. Okay, so you need to just add the 1 0 in starting. Now the question is 0384 is the real number that you need to multiply by 1111. Okay, now just do the same rules that we have just studied, all the questions. Okay, so here number of ones is 4. 4 minus 1 will gives you 3, means 3 is the n minus 1 zeros which we need to add in the left hand side and add in the right hand side. So this 0 is separate from that 0 that we are adding here. Okay, this is your number now. Okay, 0384 is your number now, and these 3 zeros that we are adding here are from rules that we have studied in the starting. Okay, so 3 zeros will be added in left hand side and 3 zeros will be added in this right hand side. Now you just need to just grouping of these things as we have just told you in number question. Our grouping will be of 4 numbers 0. Okay, so this will give you the answer of this. So in the end you got this 0. Okay, when you just answer this question, then you have 04266624. So the final answer will be 426624. Okay, 0 will be neglected here. So thank you very much. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel.